Hello and welcome. In this video, we will cover how to verify that your solar system is producing using the mySolarEdge app. If you don't yet have the mySolarEdge app on your phone, download it from the Apple App or Google Play Store. If you don't yet have an account, select Sign Up and follow the prompts. Otherwise, input your email address and password associated with your mySolarEdge account and press Login. Next, select the site you're seeking to verify. On the top left-hand corner, select the menu drop-down and press Inverter Status. Walk over to your inverter and scan the QR code on the side of the equipment. It should be closer to the top. After the QR code is recognized, you will be prompted to toggle the red switch at the bottom of your inverter to the P position and release it after 2 to 5 seconds. Then press Continue. You will then be taken to the inverter status screen. Notice that the top left-hand quadrant signifies production. And right below that, you will see how much the system is producing currently. And that's it. You can have peace of mind that your system is producing and can verify that from the comfort of your own home. For more helpful videos, navigate to the SolarEdge YouTube channel.